Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix NVIDIA driver crashes that cause a black screen while playing games. First, open your browser and download DDU, also known as Display Driver Uninstaller. Next, we'll completely remove the current NVIDIA driver. Boot your PC into safe mode. Now run Display Driver Uninstaller, also known as DDU. Select NVIDIA as the device type and choose the option to clean and restart. DDU will remove the NVIDIA driver and its related files. After your PC restarts, download a known stable NVIDIA game-ready driver. During installation, choose Custom Installation and check Perform a clean installation. Next, open NVIDIA Control Panel by pressing Shift and right-clicking on your desktop. Turn off GNC if you have this feature available and check if the crashes stop. Then open Adjust Desktop Size and Position. Under Perform Scaling On, change Display to GPU. Finally, restart your PC and launch your game. Thanks for watching.